YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Guapo Joe and I'm back with another video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you ladies and gentlemen, you fine ladies and gentlemen, how to make an Oreo Mcflurry homemade, low calorie, high protein. So to start off, the ingredients you're gonna need: blueberry, preferably frozen blueberries, doesn't matter, but preferably frozen strawberries, again, it doesn't matter, but preferably frozen. Guar gum or xanthan gum. Xanthan is spelled Xantham. Oreo protein powder and vanilla whey protein powder. And then if you don't have Oreo protein powder, it's all right. You could also have Jello. This is vanilla, but in substitute, you could have an Oreo Jello packet. They sell these at pretty much every grocery store. If your grocery store doesn't have one, then your grocery store probably sucks. And if you have sugar-free, low-calorie coffee creamer, this also makes it taste really good. This is hazelnut. Normally I would do French vanilla, but I ran out, so we're gonna use hazelnut for today. A 70-calorie Oreo Fiber 1 bar. This will be put in here after it's all blended up. You'll see what I'm gonna do with it. Something magical. You're gonna want to fill up your cup with, I would say, a little over a quarter way or a little less than halfway with ice. So I'm gonna do that real quick. This is a little less than halfway or a little over a quarter. So basically fill it up to like a third. 3 strawberries. Half a cup of blueberries. There we go. Pour that into the blender. Yes, sir. You're gonna wanna pour the water into here the same height where the ice ends. Like the same height as the ice, if that makes sense. So right there. As you can see, it's like the same height as the ice. And a full scoop of this delicious Oreo protein powder. Sponsor me, boys. GNC Anabolic, sponsor me. Full scoop of that. Put it right there. Then half a scoop of vanilla whey protein. Also for the ingredients, 3 artificial sweeteners, 0 calories. Yes, I said this in previous videos, this is straight toxins and straight chemicals. But you're not gonna gain weight from it since it's 0 calories, so up to you. You can use real sugar, but it's gonna be more calories, so it's either chemicals or more calories, up to you. I choose chemicals and stay lean. I like to put in a 1/3 of a tablespoon of guar gum. I don't like to put a full tablespoon in because this stuff will give you the runs and you'll have to use the bathroom for the entire day. So just put in about a 1/3 of a tablespoon. Like to put in 1 tablespoon of this hazelnut powder. It's gonna, or hazelnut creamer. It's gonna help. Oh, all right, a little more than a tablespoon. It's probably 2 tablespoons. Normally I like to put 1 in. And then I'm gonna use these 3 artificial sweeteners. That is everything. Before you blend this, you wanna remember, less water is more. Because if you put too much water, it's not gonna be an ice cream. It's just gonna be like a smoothie.
Audio Jungle.
Wow. I didn't have to add any water. I actually got the perfect amount of water in. And this is how you know it's a perfect texture. Go like this. Sorry, Mom, if this spills, but this is how you know if it's perfect. Just normally I'm a savage, bro. I'll just eat it straight out the blender. But just for the sake of the video, I'll put it in a cup. And then now Gonna put 2 servings of whipped cream on here. Oh, that's 3 servings actually. Now with this, like I said, you could also use the Oreo thins or the Oreo cereal. Bunch it up. Ooh. Sheesh. Alright, that's enough. I'm a dog. So I just calculated the macros. It is 363 calories for all of this. Look at this. Bro, this is gonna fill me up so much. I've seen many YouTubers make recipes and they don't include the stuff like the coffee creamer, the guar, or maybe the whipped cream. That 363 calories was everything I used, so I did not exclude any calories. All of this, 363 calories. A large McFlurry at McDonald's is 803 calories. Let's give it a taste test. I've tried this before, I'm not gonna lie with you guys. I've made this many times. I already know it tastes delicious, but just for the sake of the video, I'll try it again. Wow. Wow. 37 grams of protein. Anabolic, low calorie, Oreo McFlurry. Bro, stop playing with me. And keep in mind, you guys can manipulate this recipe. You can make it even lower calories. If, let's say you don't want the Oreos on top, that's minus 70 calories. You don't want the whipped cream, I put 45 calories worth of whipped cream. I put 3 servings. So that's minus another 45 calories, or you can add more calories. There's no rules in this kitchen, man. There's no rules. You don't have to go step by step what I do. You could try what I do and then manipulate it your own way. There's no rules in Guapo's Anabolic Kitchen. On that note, I'm gonna finish up this McFlurry. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Bro, can you shut up? Thanks. And so I hope you all enjoyed the video. And that is all for the Oreo McFlurry. Guapo out. Please like, comment, and subscribe so my YouTube gets put in the algorithm and I can drop out of college.
Southside G.